What's up everyone, this is Ryan here, the Crypto Grinder, and today I'm giving just a quick update from my top altcoin picks videos and whether or not there will be any Q prices that need to be revised. Now, all of my predictions have already achieved minimum 10% to the range of 30% return for all who have followed my calls. Not trying to just say, not trying to take any credit or anything like that, but I have been pitching a few of these coins for the past 3 to 4 weeks. So if you did not get in 3 to 4 weeks, don't think about getting in now because you obviously have missed it. But if you're looking at a new support level, I'll be more than happy to give that to you. So now, looking at Ripple, clearly there was a lot of good news, and I was pitching Ripple at around 10k Satoshis. Now, of course, those who got in, which they clearly could have, at 9802 Satoshis, you would have already made a nice 23 to 24% profit depending on where we are now right now, which is at 12,186. Okay, so with that being said, what caused the news? Of course, there was plus 500 that added Ripple as a derivative product. Okay, we're looking at just basically one of those momentum plays. All right, you can take a look at it. I'll put this this article in the link in the description below. Now, another article to take note of is cryptocurrency market maker Rialto will use the Ripple technology and the Ripple asset. So another piece of good news that there is Ripple adoption, there is usage for Ripple. Now, of course, please take note, a CFD does not mean that you're actually purchasing Ripple. You are able to speculate on the price up and down, whether Ripple is going to go up or down. Okay, doesn't mean that you get to purchase the Ripple tokens. Now, of course, on Rialto's end, on Rialto's end, XRP is used as an asset. So this is a little bit more important because there are people who are wanting to use XRP when most of the banks are focusing on Ripple, on the Ripple technology or the Ripple blockchain. A lot of people have forgotten about the XRP tokens themselves. So this article clearly shows that they want to use Ripple as the asset. Yay. Right, now next we want to look at my other predictions, which is of course honorable mention, which is Litecoin. Okay. So for Litecoin, of course, naturally, this is a revised Q price here, right? So this is a very strong support level based on the previous peak, right? And if you want to pick it up, we're looking at 0.0159. When I was pitching it, clearly it was below $30. Okay, now Ripple has already exploded due to the fact that there is the BIP 148 uncertainty. There was also news that Charlie Lee has left Coinbase and is focusing full-time on the developments of Litecoin. So that being said, this kind of news probably took some time to reach the cryptoverse. Also, I would assume that whales are hedging, meaning that they are trying to protect their assets by picking up Litecoin when it was here. Okay guys, don't ignore this. I was pitching Litecoin when it was really consolidating. Okay, and then after that the break came. Everyone in the chat went wow. Now next, ETC. ETC of course has already risen substantially from my Q prices. Okay, it's been a really awesome that ETC has really gone up from strength to strength, guys. And not only that, every time it peaks, it will always form a nice consolidation. So the next consolidation that I would safely say is 0.0078 to 0.008 Satoshis. Okay, this is your new Q price that you would like to pick up ETC just before the launch of Emerald project. Next up would be Lumens. Lumens, I was always pitching it below 15,000 Satoshis. I see Lumens to have a lot more potential than where it is today. Plenty of opportunities to pick up at 1,500 Satoshis and below. Now you're looking at it slightly pop up to 1656. I would say that a nice take profit for a quick flip would be at 1790. So 1790 would be a good take profit for Lumens. If you're really worried about the giveaway, that is going to be some dilution, you can consider taking profit around that level. Now, we are looking at NEM. NEM was also one of my predictions. Same thing. Also in financials, if you had gone in at 7613, which you could have, all right, today you would have already made a nice little 9% profit on this call already. Okay, so what has not actually made money yet would be, I think, my waves call. Let's see, waves. Yes, so waves actually went out of my potential breakout buyers. All right, and in fact, it is consolidating. So picking up waves at 0.002 seems pretty all right. Okay, I like consolidations, as you guys know by now. Picking up waves at this current spot price would be pretty awesome. Of course, if you want to be a little bit more conservative, you can pick it up at 0.01948. Another one is Humanik. Humanik has been having a little bit of sell down lately, I guess. Yes, and also as you notice, most of my breakout calls did not make money. All right, so most of my breakout calls did not make money. So if you want to pick up Humanik, you still can. I would assume that, look for consolidation first. So if it holds the 7,500 Satoshi mark, okay, it is probably good to go. I guess maybe there's probably people taking profit from Humanik to move to Lumens or move to Ripple. There's also that potential as well. But like I said, guys, this whole year I'm focused on financial related cryptocurrencies. I'm not going to move away or veer away from this stance. All right, so with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for looking at the quick update. The levels, you might want to replay this video again. I didn't draw it out, but I just want to do this quick update because I think some of my viewers would always want a revised level in terms of entering those cryptos that I mentioned. Anyway, if you feel that you'd like to get some free knowledge about what's been happening in the cryptocurrency space, feel free to join the Crypto Grinders Telegram group that is listed in my description of this video. Bear in mind, there are some country restrictions, and we will be moving to Discord in probably the next 1 to 2 months. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, dislike, comment, and subscribe.